Hello guys, so we have already studied about the area of the triangle which is equal to half into base into height, and that is very much a very useful formula for triangles where we already know base and height. But there will be triangles in which we will be knowing only all the sides rather than only base and height. So in those cases we have to use a very special formula, very often named as Herons formula or Hero's formula. So that formula is nothing other than the one written on your board: s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle and s is called semi-perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the all sides of the triangle, and semi-perimeter is perimeter divided by 2. So here is, if you can see over here, we have written semi-perimeter as a plus b plus c by 2. I am pretty sure many of you know these two formulas very well and are using it very diligently to solve various problems regarding areas of triangle. However, in this video we are not going to discuss about the use of this formula. Rather than that, we are going to discuss about how this formula has come about. Before going into it, before going into anything, you should have some motivation to whether to do this or not to do this. In this derivation of Heron's formula, or rather proof of Heron's formula, you are going to learn various mathematical operations like Pythagoras theorem, concept of expansion, concept of factorization, and also half into base into height. That also will be used over here. So let us not waste time and get into the very beautiful proof of the Heron's formula. So first what we'll do is we'll draw a triangle, a simple triangle we are going to draw. Wherein I will name the vertices as A, B and C. I'll drop a perpendicular because all of us know at the end of the day perpendicular is very important, right, in calculating area of the triangle. This side I am naming as A, this BC I am naming as B, and this AC I am naming as C, and this one as D. This point I am naming as D. So I am just assuming that this part BD is nothing but X. So what will be this DC? The total BC, if you see, the total BC is B. So if this part is X, this will be B minus X. Okay, clear? So now in triangle ABD, let us see one thing. Oh, this will be called as height. We have already studied in our last lecture. So in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, we can easily write or apply our first mathematical tool, that is Pythagoras theorem, right? So if I apply Pythagoras theorem for ABD, AB is the hypotenuse, so I can write AB square is equal to height square, that is AD square, plus BD square. I hope every one of you are agreeing with me on this, right? So we'll go ahead. AD square is H square and BD square is X square. What is AB square? AB square is A square. So here I can easily find out H square is equal to A square minus X square. Understood, everybody? Okay, let's go ahead. Now I'll consider triangle ADC. ADC. Please watch the full video. Don't lose hope, don't lose faith. Work out. If you love mathematics, give time to it. It will definitely give you lot in return. In triangle ADC also I can do the same thing. See, here the hypotenuse is C ADC means this triangle. Here the hypotenuse is C. So C square is equal to H square plus DC square, right? So that is B minus X whole square. So from here I can find out H square is equal to C square minus B minus X whole square. Clear? So here from I am getting two equations. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Correct? So from these two equations only we have already found out what? H square. In both this equation I have found out only H square. So if I have found out H square in both this equation, but the expressions are different, right? In one case it is a square minus x square, in the other case it is c square minus bracket b minus x whole square. So definitely both the things are H square, we can equate these two from 1 and 2. Okay, so I'll do that. So I can definitely write over here from 1 and 2. What I can write? I can write a square minus x square is equal to c square minus b minus x square. Please do, along with me you have to do, otherwise you will not learn. Okay, so from here if you see I am going to expand, so you are learning expansion also over here. C square minus b square, please take your time, I am just jumping one step over here, there is no need to jump. Create one bracket and expand it. Okay, I'll do that for you. B square plus x square minus 2bx. So from here I can get c square minus b square minus x square plus 2bx. ठीक है? Okay. So from here you can easily cancel out x square, right? See, both are minus, you can cancel out. So 2bx is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. X is equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2b. So I have found out x. That was a very important derivation. One part we have found out. So at this moment this part is found out in terms of a, b and c. If you see, now we don't have any dependency on x, and we'll go ahead. Please complete, everybody please complete this one. Next is we have to find out what. So first of all, what is our goal? Our goal is to find out the area of this triangle, right? So area of this triangle is nothing but half into base I am taking as b into h. Problem is I don't know this h, right? So now that I have already found out x, so I can put this x expression of x that I have found out, and I will get h square in terms of a, b and c. So I'll do that. So see, h square is equal to a square minus x square. So I'll put the value of x which I have calculated, a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2b whole square. Now I have to square it. So I am learning expansion again. Oh, lot of mathematics. See, you are learning. More you do, you will learn. Okay, so don't feel tired. You have to feel that more I do, what I am getting, what is going into my system. That is important. So this one I am going to expand. So this will be a pretty big expression. So how I am going to do it? First of all, see, if I am going to expand this in totality, it will take lot of time, you know that. So what I'll do is I'll keep this a square plus b square minus c square whole square, and I'll write this 4b square here. Next what I'll do is I'll do an LCM. So here I will get 4a square b square minus a square plus b square minus c square. You might think, why did I do it? This is going to help me. How it is going to help me? Now only you will understand. See, 1 by 4 b square I am taking on one side. The other part over here is 2ab whole square. You have to agree, 2ab whole square is 4a square b square minus a square plus b square minus c square whole square. So see here, if you see this now expression, here it is basically a square minus b square expression. So here we can factorize this, right? A minus b into a plus b, we already know that. So that is why I have not squared this over here. I did not make this a very big expression. I applied one mathematical tool that I have learnt in expansion sometimes, and sometimes in basically in factorization. So previously I was using what? Expansion. If you see this, I was using expansion over here, a minus b whole square. If you see this operation, then I am going to use now factorization, right? Difference between two squares. So I'll go ahead. So here what I am getting, 1 by 4b square. So what I was calculating, h square. So my a square minus b square term has to be broken into a minus b and a plus b, right? So that's what I'm going to do. See, 2ab, okay, 2ab, this part, first I'm writing a plus b, 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square, 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square. Next I am going to have another expression. Now this expression is difficult because this expression will be a minus b. So how will I write it? I will write it 2ab minus, I will use a second bracket over here because I am going to use another first bracket, a square plus b square minus c square. Okay, I will put this third bracket at the end. Next, 1 by 4 b square 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square, and here it is 2ab minus a square minus b square plus c square. Very easy. So up till now the expressions look big, but we have succeeded on certain part. So next what are we going to do? So if you see at this moment, this part is nothing but a plus b whole square. So see, when you work hard, God helps you. So here I can write down, I will use another third bracket over here. So this will be a plus b whole square minus c square. What about this one? If you see this, you can write c square minus, if you use this minus, so I will use another bracket over here, this will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so this will be 1 by 4b square, 1 by 4b square, okay, a plus b whole square minus c square. Here it is c square minus a minus b whole square. Again I am getting difference of two squares. So beautiful. God is really helping us, right? So with the help of God, we are going to go to the next page. Up till now everything should be clear. So we are still finding out h square, 1 by 4b square. So here it will be, okay, a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c, right? This will be it. And in the next one it will be c plus a minus b, c plus a minus b into C minus A plus B. C minus A plus B. Please do it yourself, otherwise you are not going to learn. What is A plus B plus C? Did you forget? Semi perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So that means A plus B plus C will be equal to 2S, correct? So we are going to put this 2S, right? This part is done. Next, what is A plus B minus C? So here if you see A plus B, if you want to make it minus C, then how will I do it? I'll take one minus C like this, okay, and write 2S minus C. So if I have taken minus C, what I have done is, see this one, you have to understand this. This plus C part I have taken this side as minus C. I have put another minus C on this side, so I will take another minus C. So this will be 2S minus 2C. Clear? So next one is 2S minus 2C. So if A plus B minus C is 2S minus 2C, what will be C plus A minus B? Let us check. See, A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. Whatever I'll do, I'll rub this one, okay, that will be better. I have to now calculate what? How I am going to find out A plus C minus B. So A plus C, first I am going to do 2S minus B, okay. Next you need A plus C minus B. So this will be 2S minus 2B, right? Another minus B on this side. So very easy. Again 2S minus 2B. Similarly, this will be 2S minus 2A. Okay. So lot of 2. So anyhow, here if you see, I can take many 2's common, right? 2, here 1 2, another 2, another 2. So there will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 into 2, 8. S minus C, S minus B, S minus A. So I can easily cancel out this. This will come out to be 2. So what will be H? See, now almost it is done. H will be root over of this expression. This is B square, so this B square is going to come out as 1 by B. This is 2 into 2, so 1 2 will come out, so 2 by B. Rest part will be inside the root, that is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. After long struggle, we are seeing some ray of light, some ray of hope which God is showing us. With the grace of God, inshallah, we are going to complete the total derivation in just few seconds more. Okay. Our area of the triangle is half into base into height. Height is 2 by B, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Everything else by the grace of God is completed. So some of you, at least I am pretty sure, have had the courage to watch up to the end of this video, and I am pretty sure you guys got a lot of confidence and self-satisfaction at the end. Now many of you can ask me that why this derivation is important. This derivation is not very much useful. Derivations are important because it gives you the use of various mathematical tools while you derive this. So while we derived this, what did we learn? That I am going to list out. See, I am going to show you. In fact, we started with Pythagoras theorem. So you revised Pythagoras theorem over here. We started with area of triangle half into base into height. We revised the area of triangle in our previous lecture that we did. We revised that again. Next, again Pythagoras. Here we used expansion, we learnt expansion, we learnt Pythagoras theorem, and here again we learnt what? Difference between two squares. One time, second time, so factorization is revised. Next, very beautiful mathematical tool to find out expressions that you require. Very beautiful, right? A very beautiful tool you have learnt over here, wherein we have found out this expression. At the end of the day, again using area of triangle formula, and found out the very important and beautiful formula called Herons formula. So that's how we end it. After this, we are going to do various types of problems on areas of triangle. Hope you will enjoy the lecture. Thank you guys.